going on, guys? My name is Ronald. This is
One Apps.
and this is
Arabella Apps.
You sure?
Or
You said
Bella.
Or Bella. Okay. And welcome to
Epic Cooking.
Yes. Today we are going to be making homemade
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. Woo woo. All right. So usually, we buy peanut butter from the store, and it's packed with a bunch of sugar and salt and sunflower oil and different things like that. And we are here to tell you that you can literally make peanut butter one ingredient. And what is that, guys?
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Now, if you want to add a little flavor, a little taste, you could add some sea salt, which we have here. But we're going to try our hardest to make peanut butter with just peanut butter. And then we'll taste it to see if we like it or not. Okay?
Okay.
So, to make peanut butter, all you need is a food processor. And you also need a jar, something that is air sealed tight so that the peanut butter lasts as long as it can.
Yeah.
Some sea salt to taste, and something like a spatula or a spoon to scrape the sides first after we start to mix it up, and then to scoop it into the jar. Okay?
And also, last one is peanuts.
Peanuts. Yes, he's got the peanuts.
Wish I could
Look at
eat
him.
one piece
And
of peanuts.
don't forget that you're going to want to have unsalted peanuts, just regular peanuts. You guys want to taste one?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Sure. Taste one. Tastes good, right?
Yeah, so you can already see when you taste the peanuts, they have a kind of sweet taste to it. So we're not going to put any sugar in it. But we might add a little salt after, just for taste. So first thing we're going to do is take the top off the food processor.
Yeah.
Bam.
That's
And
wrong.
I will let Ronald, you can pour in half of the peanuts.
Yeah.
Just half, just so Bella can pour some as well. Be careful, don't drop the whole bowl in there. And don't make a mess. Oh, that's one,
Sorry.
that's two.
Sorry.
Let's go. No mess, pour it in. Come on. There you go, stop. All right, Bella, you're up next. Perfect.
Because I have a little bit.
Alrighty, so now we're done with this, so we can just throw that in the sink. What we're going to do now is we're going to mix these for 30 seconds. Then we're going to mash it all back into the bottom. Then we're going to keep doing it for 30 seconds, probably for like 10 minutes. Because it's going to go from this to really clunky to really hard, and then it's going to start to look really nice and smooth. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so I promise you that by the end, this will be nice and smooth, just like peanut butter. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's put the top back on.
And close this.
Close it. Now, if you guys look around on the front, we have a few buttons. We got slice, shred, puree, or mix. We're going puree to mix. You guys ready? Because this thing is very powerful and it's probably going to be very loud. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's good.
Right.
You ready?
Let's do it. Ready? And we have to let this go for 30 seconds. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we just finished letting it go for about a minute, right? And we're gonna pop this bad boy open.
Bad boy.
Bad boy. And now, if you guys can look down in here, we can see that it's already starting to get, ooh, it's really clunky and hard. Look, it's nice and hard.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like that's gonna get really creamy yet, does it?
Yeah.
No water. Nothing else needed. We're just gonna let it go some more, all right?
Okay. Can I do this?
All right, you gonna put the top back on? All right, so pin the top back on, and we're gonna let it go for another minute. That's not lined up right. This should be lined up with that.
Oh, sorry.
There's no need to be sorry. Just fix it. Now push it down hard.
Wait.
There you go. And now push the clamps in. You see the mix button?
It's right here.
Yep. Press it in. Oh, nope. You got to press it hard. Okay, now look, you guys see at the top? Now,
Yeah.
let's get a little video to show. It's already starting to get nice and creamy, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Like.
We've let another minute pass, and now we're going to push down the sides. And to be honest, right now, we might need something stronger than this spatula. But we'll be okay for now.
Yeah.
Mix it. Make sure it's all over. Okay. So let's put this top back on here, and we're gonna go for another. Oh, we never turned it off. Okay. Close it. Ronald, can you do me the honors of pressing the mix button? Alrighty, so guys, look at that. Is that looking like peanut butter?
Yeah.
That's looking like peanut butter to me. Alright, what are you, out of breath?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I was trying to get the apple, but my belly is out of breath.
Your belly is out of breath from trying to turn it off? Alright, well, catch your breath, okay?
I
Alright,
got it.
you know what? How about we take a little snack break? We got some blueberries here. Here,
Blue.
let's cheers. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shoeberries.
Wait! Ronald lost his blueberry. We gotta do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Blueberries.
Mmm.
If you want some blueberries, you can get some. Yeah, get some from the store.
Okay. So how about while we're taking our snack break, we first get all the peanut butter from around the edges. Not done yet. It's still going to need a little more time. But as you can see, it's getting nice and creamy. And we will have some natural, healthy peanut butter.
Yes, out.
And we'll never have to go to the store and buy it again.
Huh? Ow.
Oh no, did you get peanut butter?
Yeah.
Ow. You okay?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Ow.
Let me see.
Ow. Oh.
Okay. Are you going to be able to continue on, or are you going to have to stop?
No.
Huh?
I could.
You can continue on?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. You guys can do a little finger taste.
This way. Peanut butter.
That tastes like some good peanut butter. Now, I will admit, we probably can add a little bit of salt to it.
Daddy.
So, I'm going to do this part.
not the
But we're going to put a little bit of salt in just for taste. Of course, this is totally up to you. You don't have to. You can. We're not going to put a whole lot, but we're going to put a little bit in. And now, we are going to continue our snack break while we let this run for another minute or so.
I got it.
Wait. Let's take turns. Who did it last? Ronald did. So, Bella already took her turn, so it's only right that I go now, right? Alrighty.
Because Dad did
remember,
not get
sharing is
Sharon. Care.
caring. Yes, not sharing is sharing. Sharing is sharing, but we're saying sharing is caring.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go. is ready. Let's see.
Whoa!
As you can see, we now have
Peanut butter.
some creamy peanut butter. So now that the peanut butter is done, the next step is going to be to pour it into our
Jar.
Yes, our airtight sealed jar so that the peanut butter stays good. All right.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I think the truth of the peanut butter is out.
Bella, can you do me a favor and remove this? Take it over there out the way, please. Come on, do it. Good job. Just put it over on the counter out the way. Alrighty. And I'll take out the blade. Be careful. This is very dangerous.
Why is this dangerous?
Why do you think it's dangerous?
Oh, you got just sharp things.
Exactly. Because it's very sharp. So
Just
kids,
remember.
make sure if you're doing this to have a parent help you because it's dangerous and it's sharp, right?
Right.
You
Also,
don't-
after you don't.
Because you don't want to poke your eye out. Okay. Let's get that out of here. Oh, I got some peanut butter in my hand.
Oh, I want it.
Up.
Why?
Because we don't want to put our fingers inside of here and then put it in the jar. That was just because it's already in my hands. Alright. We want to be sanitary, not nasty.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Let's see. Ooh, yeah.
Look at that.
We got peanut butter.
We finally made homemade peanut butter.
Yes. So guys, as you can see, with one ingredient, we were able to make homemade peanut butter. Ugh. And make sure you guys stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be making a special treat with the peanut butter. So
Okay.
thank you guys for coming out, and make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cooking videos and leave a comment on what you would like us to make next.
And also click the bell.
Click the bell.
What? I guess we all can.
All right, say bye.
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 Stay